welcome back to another vlog. This time, I know we've been slacking, so whatever. But this time, as always, as almost always, we got my boy PZ Motorsports, VRT FRS, the man, the myth, the legend. What are we doing?
Cutting shit up.
Cutting shit up. Hold on, we got the little sneak peek. Can't talk. Ooh, we'll get the zoom going. Look at this. Damn, slow ass zoom. But yeah, VRT FRS looks good from the top. All right, PZ Motorsports.
Yo.
What? Give for everyone who wants to know what you're doing here. What is the motor? The motor. Let's start with motor. What motor? What motor is that?
It's a 12-valve Vr6 out of a Jetta.
Okay.
Jetta GTI.
So built motor, building it for boost.
Head.
Okay.
Spacer.
Yep, because these things do well with a spacer and built head.
And it's a $300 motor, so.
Hell yeah. Now trans.
It's another Ricky Hoffman special. Thanks for his sponsorship.
Sponsorship.
CD09, 08, because he ripped me off, told me it's 09 to 08.
Sick.
So, yeah, 350Z trans, VR6, T,
hold on.
T.
Ooh. Okay, sick. Now, it's an FRS BRZ chassis. We got a little cage action going, looking good. What suspension are you running? Or, well, what suspension are we gonna run?
We don't know yet.
Okay, we don't know, but it's gonna be a drift focus build.
Yeah, so right now it's got modded knuckles that I modded for now with extended time.
I don't know why you wasted your time.
I don't know.
But here, hold on, that was good practice.
Special in the back.
Ooh.
We got them.
Hold on, flex on them. So, yeah.
When wood's expensive.
Yeah, what do you...
These are 0K, right? They
hold on.
$6,000.
Pressure treated? Pressure treated?
Is it pressure treated?
Yeah.
Calm down. We don't got that kind of money.
Okay, sick. So drift build, FRS, rear mounted rad and stuff like that?
All of that.
Hell yeah. So
daily cruiser.
Now, where are you putting the motor? Because this is, you know, if
this
you
is
look,
temporary.
this is where a normal motor, we would place it.
This is like a, you know. So basically this line right here is going to be the back of the motor.
So I think if you guys can see, that's about, I don't know, maybe like 13 inches.
Facts.
Hold on.
That's an OG mug bone right there.
But yeah, so we're doing kind of like a mid-engine build. There's plenty of crazy sick cars out there, both in the time attack world and not much in the drift world. There's only a handful because normally classes don't allow you to do this, but we don't really care about classes, right?
I'm not going, bro.
Same thing.
I'm a broke
Same
guy.
thing. We'd rather be the local hometown heroes. That's like this. This ain't meeting no class, but here we are.
It's gonna drift.
Well, I'll slide it, but not with anyone on track.
Or the body panels off of it.
But yeah, so we're gonna be shifting all this around and start cutting here. You dig?
I did.
Yeah, there we go. Come on. Yeah. Sick. But we're gonna cut down the little rain tray. We're gonna slice that off all the way around. Then we're gonna start working our way up the firewall to see what we need, leaving our window support. But yeah, we're just gonna try and take what we think. We got it kind of marked out here, and then we could always cut more, right?
I think so.
Yeah. All right.
I don't know whose core this is.
All right, just send
rain
it.
tray first.
Yeah, just cut that bitch. scrap pile. Hold on. That's the start of it.
What's the weight reduction?
Yo, how many cars have you chopped up where you hit them with those moves like that? Yo, don't cut your hand in my shop.
I'm suing. You got this on video. Lawsuit. Let us drive one.
Yeah, the court's gonna know what kind of idiot you are.
Where are my gloves?
How you feeling? How you feeling cutting your chassis up this much?
I never cut a car this much and attempted to drive it afterwards. Usually it's like, yo, cut this shit real fast. You know?
I hear you. We'll see.
Yo, bringing this thing back to life.
What, we got PZ Picasso over here?
Yeah, he's fucking it up. Well, the thing is, we're gonna put the motor in. You gotta make it presentable, you know? It's 3 different colors right now. The car's been salvaged, brought back to life.
Clean title.
Clean title. Well, alright, so the car was wrecked, but it's clean title.
It was absolutely fucking smashed.
Smashed but clean title. So now we're just trying to make the mix match shit go away. So that way, as we build it, it looks good till we get it sandblasted. You know? The feel? You dig?
It all makes sense.
Woo!
I like it.
Looks good. Alright, camera died. So we're turning it a little bit. Nothing too eventful happened. The motor is kinda sitting where we want it. So we're gonna make a temporary little support for the trans, temporarily support the motor, just real quick and ghetto-like, so we can step back, really visualize everything. Yeah, the gas is on. Keep it all the way up. I'll be your pedal.
You beat my pedal.
So we'll see what it is.
Yep.
More?
Wow. Wow. Wow, we got it on camera.
This is in grind mode.
Damn!
It's in fucking grind mode.
No, it's not. It just wasn't on.
Dude, I'm like, yep, that's about $180.
Oh, you really stuck this. Oh my god.
Damn!
Wow. Look at this. So this is what PZ, the certified welder.
Yo, don't even call me out. Fucking blind.
Bro, I actually have to go get a bandsaw. Cut your filler wire off.
When he doesn't turn the hood on. I'm still seeing stars. Changing the game.
For reals. Come on. So it's gonna be a bottom mount?
Bottom out. Just because I like bottom mounts.
So like here, take a step back. So what are you thinking?
Yeah.
Okay, so here it is. We're in. We got a nice little mock-up brace for the turbo. Get an ideal location. But we're looking sick. Trans is supported. This is pretty much, if you look, right behind strut towers, which is crazy. You boys killed it. How long did it take to cut, chop, paint, prep, do everything? We started when? 5? 8 pizza?
No, it was just like 6.
It might have even been 6.
I didn't get here from the gym until 6.
Oh, so we didn't even start yet. So from 6 to what time is it right now?
9:30.
9:30. 6 to 9:30. chop, cut, paint, temporarily mock everything up, mount it, make a custom turbo mount, get everything in, done, sick. That's a wrap.
Pizza break.
That's a wrap with a pizza break. Hell yeah.
Perfect.
Ooh. PZC was good.
Yo, what's good, chat?
Look at this. Oh my god. This is so gangster. Any last words?
We're gonna send it soon.
We're gonna send it. There it is, boys. We'll get some good quality photos up. But until next time, that's a wrap. Peace out. Later, later, later.
Deuces.